So my name is Dimento. I've been practicing dentistry for 10 years. I'm an associate dentist in Hobart, in Sandy Bay. My boss at the time did Geoff's course and highly recommended the whole experience. It was an avenue, I guess, to expand my dental knowledge, upskill and provide, I guess, a better dental service for my patients and their families. This is my first orthodontic course, so apart from university training, I haven't had any orthodontic experience. It was just the recommendation from my colleague that had done it previously. I believe he was, one of the first ones through the course, and had continued his, education with Geoff, and had developed, great skills, doing great cases, and it was that word of mouth referral and experience that led me to Geoff's course. I've started about 20 orthodontic cases now, predominantly fixed cases, but a little bit of clear aligners as well, and I've finished 2 cases so far. Just do it. It's a great course. You do get a lot of experience. It's almost that confidence and guidance to get started as well, which is really vital. I think starting the cases and getting that experience and confidence makes such a difference throughout the course. And Geoff's always available to provide that helping hand and that confidence to get started and experience and do more. He's definitely one of life's characters, but a lot of experience to draw from, incredible connections with lecturers across the world, and engaging in the in-person environment as well. So he's been really good, along with Robin and Martin. Obviously, it's been great. I think that the biggest thing is getting to meet up. I look forward to coming here in person. Chatting with other dentists as well, getting their experience. I think, you can get a lot out of the course doing it online, but it's that in-person networking, discussing, your experience with other people that are in the same situation as you that has been so vital. Yes, it definitely would make you a better dentist, a lot more rounded, your ability even to recognize what's difficult, what's going to need early intervention, what you can treat yourself, what you can refer out to your orthodontic specialist as well, really makes you a better practitioner. Yes, definitely. I think it's another feather in your hat to provide to your patients, not only to be a more well-rounded dentist, but to increase your income or earning potential, as well as potential avenue to specialize or find your niche market. So I think it stems probably from their early experience in the university system, and what is taught. It's almost set up to confuse you or scare you into taking on a little bit more, and it's that unpredictability as well. Whereas once you get started and you learn, and Geoff takes you through it, there's a lot more confidence to undertake the orthodontic therapy. Part of the concern probably was the time commitment, to study and in person with a young family, but really it's been so easy to integrate and to come along, and apart from that, not really. No, just thanks very much to Geoff and to Robin and to Martin and the team at OrthoED for putting on a fantastic course. It's been wonderful and I can't recommend it enough.